I broke my boyfriend's TV, soaked his laptop in water before I left his place after a fight. Story time! I'm a 26 years old lady doing an online business and I'm based in Cotonou. I met this guy in January, we started talking and we became friends. Later on, he started telling me to help him make phone calls. Yahoo! Then as time went on, I started having feelings for him. Mind you, we were already having sex at that time without protection. I fell for this guy, but mind you, he never asked me out. I would go to his house, cook for him, buy him food, wash his clothes without taking any money from him. Some weeks to Valentine's Day, I asked him who I am to him and he said I am his personal person. But a few days to Valentine's Day, I told him that I will be going out to look for a man since I don't have a boyfriend and I'm tired of this single life, and this guy told me not to dare do that. So on Valentine's Day, he took me out to the beach with his friends. We ate, drank, we went home and we had sex. During that whole period, I had just gotten to Cotonou, so I didn't have a house. I was staying in a hotel where I was paying 3,000 naira per night. Mind you, this guy stays alone in his apartment, a mini flat for that matter, and he never gave me any money to pay for my hotel. Whenever I go to his place, even after having sex or doing whatever it is for him, he never gave me transport fare. He never gave me anything. I was even the one that was giving him pocket money because of love. To be honest, I did not mind doing all of these things because I really loved him. And this guy is a single father of 2 years old. As time went on, I felt this guy did not really love me, so I came back to Nigeria. Note, before I traveled to Cotonou in the first place, I already had a boyfriend in Nigeria who happens to be a 30+ man. He's single, has no child, gives me money, takes care of me. In fact, his plans was to marry me at that time immediately, but I broke up with him because I didn't love him. That was before I traveled to Cotonou. All those times when I was in Cotonou with my sneaky link supposed boyfriend, my Niger boyfriend used to send me money. In fact, on Valentine's Day, he sent me 20,000 naira to have ice cream, and he said if I was around, he would have taken